Today we're going to talk about linear inequalities. So if you're given an inequality to graph and it's in slope-intercept form, right? You notice that that's in slope-intercept form. The only thing that's different is this symbol. So this means greater than or equal to. So imagine if we just graphed the equals to part. 4/3 x plus 1. That's pretty straightforward, right? Y-intercept. We use the slope to go up 4 and over 3. Right? And then we can draw our line. Right? Now we're like, where is y greater than this line, right? Okay? And the answer is above it, right? This is all greater than, so that we would just color that all in. Right? So every point in here makes this inequality true. So if you think about when we've done equals, every point on this line, if we said, hey, is a point on this line, we would see if it works in this equation. Any point up here is going to work. So like if I picked, say, the point, right, that point is -2, 0. Does that work in this inequality? So we'd plug in -2 and 0 for y and x. So we'd say is 0 greater than or equal to 4/3 times 2 plus 1. Right, or sorry, -2. So is 0 greater than or equal to -8/3 plus 1? Well, 1 is really 3 over 3, so this is 0 greater than or equal to -5/3. Yep. So all of these points work, right? Does that make sense? Now we're going to try this one right here. This one, the only thing that's different, if you notice, the inequality, there's just an inequality sign, there's no equals. Still, we're going to start by just thinking about it like this, right? And that's really nice and easy because you still go to -3, we use our slope, here's our line, okay? Except for now, it can't be equal. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a dotted line, which means points that are on this line don't work for the inequality. But we're going to shade and we want less than, so less than means below the line, right? And we can check this by picking any point we want on the line, or below the line, sorry. I'm going to pick this point, 2, -2. So if I plug that in here for this one, right, is -2 less than 3 over 2 times 2 minus 3. Right? So what that turns into is -2 less than 0. Yep. So we graphed it correctly. Does that sound good?